Okay, and welcome to Coxie's Picks. Today we're going to have a look at some Smith & Wesson Model 94. These are unique because you've got a tubular keyway which requires a specialist tubular key. Inside the handcuff you'll see not the standard single pull design, but we do in fact have a double pull locking system. That is because these were deemed the highest security. They were utilised by the Special Service for transporting of high-risk prisoners. Now, the problem we have is that with this tubular key, sorry, let's show it working, you set the double lock using the key, so it cannot be done without the key, which is unfortunate should you need to actually apply it. So place the key in, double lock is now set, the whole locking bar has gone around. Then to undo the double lock, turn the key, double lock has been unlocked, and then to undo the handcuffs completely, just turn it a fraction more. Now, when it comes to picking these handcuffs, you've got several options available to you with normal tubular locks, except if you look very carefully, the actual point to tension is recessed, and we can see this clearly by looking at the key. The key does in fact have a cutaway. So we need to make a tool which has a circular platform and also a cutaway. Well, anyone that's watched my channel knows I'm a massive fan of pens, and if we look at this starter pen, we can see it's circular in nature and has a split. So let's make our tool. I would suggest a similar shape to this. So if we was to set the double lock on the cuff, there we go, double lock set, we're then going to place our tool, capture that tension bar and apply tension. Now straight away you can see this is not going to be achievable whilst wearing. There are 4 pins that we need to press. Now I'm using a Parker pick, right, just for ease. But it fits in nicely, and we should only need to lightly push on each of them in turn. You keep going around, applying a bit of tension on each one until eventually the core will rotate. Now, according to Smith & Wesson, there are 16 different key variations. However, my research has only shown 3 key types were used during the lifetime of this cuff. And there we go. Now you can see the core is rotating, which means that the double lock is now removed. Now we can continue on and keep picking, right, to get the single lock. However, these are easily shimmed. Even though it is the highest of security, you just place the shim in, light tension, get the pulls in, always when on camera, start again, following the line of the teeth, making sure not to jam the mechanism against the anti-shim. See how the shim has moved in freely now, and we can then finish the job with one final movement and we have shim free. That's the Model 94 Smith & Wesson vintage cuffs. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.